Do you know how you can actually reprogram your subconscious mind by repeating the things? And we are going to talk about this topic again, about law of attraction. We are focusing more on spirituality and law of attraction, and how the science of universe can actually help you manifest a lot of things into your life. So my name is Ekam, and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel, Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, yoga, tantra, and so many other things. So do you know why affirmations actually works, or why it is not working for you? Because when you are actually repeating the things which you are wanting, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. And when you're reprogramming your subconscious mind, you're clearing all the baggage, all the trauma, all the dust, everything which is not serving you. You are actually discarding it away. And when you do this thing, universe do its magic. But you are doing the affirmations, you are doing everything, and still you are unsure it's gonna work or no. So basically what you have to understand, that if you are not clearly mentioning your goals, dreams, reality, wishes, the complete statement, the clear concise statement, then you're gonna manifest. You're not going to manifest at all. How you can manifest money when you are saying, I am having money, I am having money, I am having money? But $1 is also money, 1 rupee is also money, 1 million is also money. So you have to be very particular about it, what you are actually wanting to manifest. And also a lot of people says, I want to have a good health, I want to have a good family, I want to have a good job, good relationship, lot of things. So basically universe doesn't listen to these things. Why? Because you are showing that you are in a lack of something. When you actually show universe that you are in a lack of something, universe doesn't deliver, because universe works on vibration. Okay, and if you're having the vibration of lacking, then how you can manifest abundance into your life? You cannot do it, right? So basically you have to change the sentences from I want to I am having. You have to go in the present continuous tense. I am having a dream job, I am having 100k dollars or rupees, I am having this job, I am having this relationship, I am having a great body, I am having a great partner, my partner is loving to me, okay, and money is coming to me. So be clear with your affirmations, then it is the only way it is going to work for you and for your life. Because if you're not clear, and if you're just in the lack state, I want to have this, I want to have that, then it's not gonna work out at all. So make sure that you are working on the sentence, present continuous, and very clear concise sentence, that what you are wanting to manifest. If you're wanting job, be clear. Money, be clear how much you want. Love, what kind of love, whatever damn thing you want, just be clear and use it in the present continuous tense, and see how it changes your life. That's all for now. Thank you so much. Om Namah Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev.